Hello, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. And today's video is my year savings video. I have several saving challenges here that I play throughout the year just to help me for various things. And I have $100 in prop money. So let's get started. Let's start with our every Friday of 2025. All right. Let's put that there. All right. So we have June 20th. So we are going to save that $20. And with this saving challenge, I am saving for an extra payment of debt. So each month, what I do is add up how much I save for that month and put that payment towards debt. And it has helped me a lot to have all these challenges and different challenges in each of my binders for the games and stuff. And I have seen great progress. Next, we have this weekly saving challenge I got from Norella's Budgets. This is you save every week of that month. And what I decided to do is just roll a D8. And this goes towards my son's senior year, class of 2026. So this is an 8 here. Perfect. So let's go ahead and say that $8. So that is 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm just thinking of or finding nice little games that I can play because yeah, things for senior year adds up. So this is another one I am using to save for his senior year. Each icon is $5, saves $300 for the whole year. And I got this from Save with Judy. So I am going to put my $5 in for this week. So I think I'm caught up now. So $5. Perfect. All right, let's bring this back over here. And we have our spring fling. And I got this. This was sent to me from Coco Chic Living on Etsy. And I think I'm going to put $8 in here. And I think I made my mind up. I am just saving this for back to school. So 4 and 4 is 8. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. And I just love this cute envelope. So cute. All right, we have our Santa's Coming to Town. And this is created by Big Chief Managed Budgets and Champagne's Corner. And I am putting $20 in here. All right, so let's see. I was doing all the scratches first. Perfect. So let's get our calculator and put 20 in here. And let's get the scratching. So let's do this peppermint here. So -2. Let's go on this side. All right, and that's another 2. And let's do this one. There go a 4. So -4. And let's do this one. Oh, we just gonna get all the 4s now. I was looking for you last week. -4. And we can do at least one more. So let's do this one. Perfect. We get all the red peppermints. And -4. And should we do one more? Yeah, because we can do one more. But I like that it's 2 and 2 on this side, so we're not going to do one more. Let's go clean this up. So we are going to put the last $4, or should we do, let's do here. Let's put the last $4 here. So let's get our green. I think this is the right green. Perfect. And then -4, and that is our $20. Perfect. Let's put the $20 in here. All right. See. Let's see. What should we do? So we have, oh, yeah, this one. Okay. I was like, did I skip one? Let's do our say 2025 and 2025. How much should we put in here, Gems? This goes towards my taxes next year. So 10, 20, should I see 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Should I put at least 30? Yeah, let's put at least 30. 25. Let me make sure this is 10, 25, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Okay. Let's put $30 in here. So, and this is created by the Almost Organized Aisle. So let's do the 20 over here. Let's get a cute yellow. Should we do yellow, or let's do this color? Oh, I should have did these 215s. Ew, because I don't have a 10. Oh, I have a 10 over here. That's fine. Okay. Let's do 20. You know what? Let's do 28. Yeah, let's do 28. So let me take $2 out. Okay. Let's do the 28. All right. Let's get that same color. Perfect. All right, so $28 went into, say, $2,025 in 2025. And next we have our School is Cool, created by Lemon Ivy. And let's put the remainder 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I have 11, but only 9, 10. Oh, yeah, I can do the 9 and 2. Okay. So let's do this little art set for $9. And then, what was these things called back in the day? We used this in math. I don't remember what this is called, but that is so old school. All right. They had the beads on there with the colors, and you can use it to add well, we used it in school to learn how to add and subtract when we was maybe pre-K, something like that. I don't know. All right, so we're going to put that $11 in here for back to school. And just like that, Gems, that was $100 put into the year of savings. And yes. All right, I want to thank everyone for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this wonderful, fabulous financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or just share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, Gems.